Hey kids, welcome back to another video tutorial, and in this session I'm going to show you how I draw a easy bowl. It can be a soup bowl or a cornflakes bowl, a cereal bowl. I want to show you some easy steps that I take to draw that bowl and using my pencil crayons to color it. So stay tuned and I hope you guys just follow my steps. Alright, very easy. So what we're gonna need for this exercise is a ruler and a pencil, and we're gonna need colored pencils, and the brand that I'm using is Crayola. You don't have to use Crayola, but that's what I have now. Alright, so what we're gonna start with is lines. So we're gonna start with just a line that's we're gonna stick with probably about 4 inches. Alright, so we're not gonna measure today, so we're gonna come down with a simple line like this, 4 inches, right? And we're gonna have probably about 2 inches at the base. Alright, 2 inches at the base. Cool. Now, and we're gonna have probably about on a 4-inch right here near to the center top. So put a line here. So this will be 2 inches. So before going up on the line, gonna use 2 3/8 right here. Now we're gonna talk about something that is called ellipse, right? So we must take in consideration ellipse. So right here to right here, we're gonna form what we call ellipse. Alright, so I'm gonna outline it for you guys to let you see. Alright, so what's on the top ellipse must be represented at the base as well. So this is our base of our bowl, right? So we're just gonna carry an ellipse just like this in this format, right? And then at the edges are, we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna connect the points now. So we're gonna get a little shape like this, right? Right? So let me come here and try to give it a little bit more outline. So this is the simplest way to really draw a bowl for you kids, right? And you're learning at the same time how to construct ellipse. And ellipse is basically a circle that is at a perspective. Right? After we finish, we're gonna erase the construction lines. Now we're gonna create our design on the outside of our bowls, right? So I'm gonna use polka dots, circles. I'm gonna use circles should be on your way. So it's very simple, right? Now so as I said before, this is what I'm going to use to color it bright colors. So alright guys, so that is my colors, and I'm gonna start with my complementary colors. So purple and yellow are complementary colors, red and green complementary colors, blue and orange, these oranges complementary colors. Alright, so I'm gonna start directly with my purple.